Hey friends, are you ready to discover the tantalizing world of Vietnamese cuisine with Bun Cha? In this mouth-watering video, we will delve into the intricate flavors and vibrant ingredients that make this traditional dish so beloved. Stay tuned to travel beyond as we are on a culinary journey through the bustling streets of Vietnam to enjoy Bun Cha. Bun Cha is a traditional Vietnamese culinary delight made of grilled pork and noodles, which is believed to have originated from Hanoi, Vietnam. The two main components of this dish are number one, grilled pork, which is cha in Vietnamese, and rice vermicelli noodles, which is bun in Vietnamese, and hence the name is derived as Bun Cha. The pork is typically marinated for hours or overnight in a mixture of garlic, lemongrass, shallots, and spices, and then grilled over charcoal to bring that desired smoky flavor. The noodles are soaked in warm water until softened, then drained and rinsed. Bun Cha is typically served with a dipping sauce, or you can say soup, made from fish sauce, sugar, vinegar, garlic, and chili peppers, and complemented with lots of herbs and vegetables like slices of carrots, cucumbers, and raw papaya, lime wedges, and it additionally sprouts at some places. Watch closely as the delicate rice vermicelli noodles are artfully arranged on a plate, ready to be crowned with the grilled meat. As the dish comes together, an array of fresh herbs, crunchy vegetables, and tangy dipping sauce are added, elevating the flavors to new heights. To eat Bun Cha, simply take a few pieces of pork, some noodles, and a handful of herbs and vegetables and dip them into the dipping sauce. The pork is juicy and flavorful, the noodles are so soft, and the herbs add the desired freshness and flavors to the dish. Bun Cha is a very popular dish in Vietnam, although the southern alternative is known as Bun Thit Nung. It is mainly popular as lunch or dinner dish and equally popular among tourists. It is also a very popular street food and can be found at many restaurants and food stalls throughout the country. As we delve into the historical significance of Bun Cha, we discovered how it gained a deeper appreciation for its cultural importance and has become a staple in Vietnamese dining. The dish was first described in 1959 by Vietnamese food author Vo Bang, who described Hanoi as a town transfixed by Bun Cha. Hanoi still has its first Bun Cha restaurant in Gia Ngu Street in Hoan Kiem district in Hanoi's Old Quarter. Here are some of the reasons why Bun Cha is so popular in Vietnam. Number 1. It is a delicious, healthy and satisfying dish. Number 2. It is easy to find and eat. And lastly, the most important point, it is relatively affordable. Average rate is approximately $1.64. Whether you are a seasoned food enthusiast or a curious beginner, after watching this, you will definitely be craving for Bun Cha. If you are ever in Vietnam, I highly recommend trying Bun Cha. It is a delicious and authentic Vietnamese dish that you will never forget. And before moving ahead to our next video, please don't forget to subscribe to Travel Beyond channel for more such mouth-watering episodes.